Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.